Hello everyone, so this is how I take aloe vera leaves fresh from my garden and make a hair mask with it. And you can see it's straight from nature with no additives and it's zero waste as well. How awesome is that? So you need to soak the ends of the aloe vera leaves in water for half an hour and rinse off any yellow sap. Then you need to cut off the thorny bits on the right and left of the leaves at the sides, and so you'll be left with the front and back of the aloe vera leaf. Peel off the front gently and then use a spoon to scoop all the lovely gel off the back of the aloe vera leaf, and you will get enough to make one person's hair mask for a lot of hair from one leaf. Now I'm going to take like the jelly like aloe vera and I'm going to puree it. You can use any kind of blender, just make sure that there are no lumps because you don't want lumps stuck to your hair. You can also pour it through a sieve. Now I'm adding some neem oil as well as 2 drops each of tea tree essential oil and rosemary essential oil because I feel that will benefit my hair. Now I'm going to wrap a towel around my neck and start to apply the gel. It's not the same as store-bought gel. It's slightly more liquid and slimy, but it will stick to your hair. You just need to take the time and get it, incorporated all over your scalp as well as from the roots of your hair right down to the tip. So take your time and slowly work it through all your hair. Now I'm going to bundle it up and clip it, tie it up with the towel to keep it from drying out because you don't want it to get dry and stuck to your hair, and also tie it with a bandana to keep everything in place. Now I'm going to apply some of the reserved aloe vera gel to my face and my neck because it's a great face mask as well. Then I'm going to cook dinner for half an hour. I made vegetable soup and pesto chicken. It was really yummy. So after half an hour I then washed my hair and towel dried it. I did not use a hair dryer, and then I just combed it, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. My hair is just so silky smooth and soft. I just love it. So if you try this, do let me know, and if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye.